We just booked the flights. Okay, Oaks, let's do a transition. So we just booked the flights. Now we're gonna be in Barcelona. No, we're gonna be in the airport. 3, 2, 1. Hey, do something. Like you have to do a transition. 3, 2, 1. Day before.
It's the height difference. Okay.
Day before.
No, babe, hold him up. Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, hi, I'm King Chi. This is my first intro ever. I've not done an intro for my video, so it's incomplete, but we're gonna have to be happy with that. I'm doing a get ready with me vlog for my trip, so just maintenance before I leave, some shopping, my hair, my lashes, my nails, you know, the whole shebang. I'm on my way to go do my hair. I'm doing Bora Bora braids or goddess braids, one of the two, whatever the one with the lot of curls are. I got like bundles from Luna Lux Hair and she colored them for me, so I'm just hoping for the best. Hey, I'm really scared. I don't know why I decided this is gonna be the first time I try out color human hair, different type of braid that I'm used to, but you know. So I'm 2 minutes away from my hair place. I'm doing my hair at Lucy's. Yeah. We just finished with my hair. It's still wet. I don't know if I like it because I couldn't pull the trigger on going light brown, so I went dark brown, and we'll see. I don't know, I haven't adjusted to it. Guys, it is so deep. Like I woke up early. I had to get like medication from Dischem and stuff, and then quickly go home and shower. I was waking up to go do that stuff and quickly go home and shower because I changed my wax appointment, which was supposed to be tomorrow at 3 p.m. to today at 10:30 a.m. just because I can feel that Shark Week is coming and I don't want to find myself in a situation where I can't get waxed. Shark Week is only supposed to start on the 7th of July, but it seems like it's starting. I thought it was going to start last night, but it's starting today. Next stop, we're going to do my nails. I ended up getting my card. I don't know if I told YouTube about like what was happening with my card. They said they would deliver my global card for between 8 and 10 a.m. and I only received it at 12:30. They told me 2 minutes to 10 that okay, this guy's only going to be able to drop it off before 12, and I was like, well, I literally said I needed a morning appointment. Like, why would you say between 8 and 12 and 10 if you weren't going to be able to deliver? And then they said he could do it before 11. So I had my wax appointment and I had to like cut out things that I was planning on doing just because I needed to be home to sign, because they wouldn't let me sign that over to someone else to do for me. And then this guy said that he was there at 10:30, so I said I'll be there in 10 minutes. So I rushed my wax. Okay, I didn't wax my legs and my armpits, and only to find him not there. So then I called these people. I'm on the phone for like 7 minutes. They said they'll connect me with my courier. I hope you guys can see me well. Sorry, give me a second. They said they'll connect me with my courier. It took 7 minutes to do that and he couldn't hear me, and he said, I'm here. I said, I can't see you, you're not here. And then I called again after 25 minutes of waiting, and it took like, the guy said I'll call you back in 10 minutes. It took 25 minutes of waiting for me to call back, because 25 or 45, I'm on. And then the courier guy finally called me and he said, listen, I'm 20 minutes away. This is at 12. And then he finally gets there at 12:30. So yeah, my whole schedule day has been messed around just because of this car delivery. I'm about to do my hair. It is a day before my lashes. It's the day before my trip. I'm disappointed with my nails. I'll tell you the story later. And my hair, kind of, just because, not because I don't like them, just because they're just like not what I expected I would feel in them, you know what I mean? I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna do my lashes and hopefully that pulls everything together, because I've been just a bit down about like how everything has turned out. This is the update for my packing situation. I just need to put my wash bag in there, but it seems like we're good. We're not overpacked, thank goodness. Morning, y'all. It's the day. It's the day. It's the day. It's the day that we're traveling. We're traveling. Fuck. Yeah. This is what I'm gonna be serving from now. No more smiles. No more smiles. You get me. You get me. Oh, today's my last day of joy. Anyway, I still have to do a bunch of packing. Not a bunch. I've done majority of it. I need to go to the store now just to finish like I need sandals. That's one thing I need. I can get like whatever pair and then like get a replacement pair when we reach our destination. But anyway, we're gonna be gone for 18 days, including the 2 travel days. So we'll be in Europe for 16 days. I'm so excited. This is my first vacation. Okay, yeah. I know I haven't been good at vlogging so far, but this is where the vlog starts though. Oh. Okay guys, I promise this is not my actual personality. I just woke up. So I haven't like had time to like locate, my mind hasn't had time to locate my body. So like right now I'm acting out of character and I don't hate it, you know. Maybe I should just let myself like just run wild until my brain catches up with my body, you know what I mean? Because right now I don't know what's talking, because I know it's not my brain.
I smoke the ganja to get fried. Fuck a nigga, I just needed advice. Grab that drink, wasn't feeling me. Look in the mirror, trying to feel my shit. Messy.
I have all of these sunspots like out of nowhere, which I don't understand or get, but this one's the one that's bothering me because it's like, what the hell? But yeah, I don't know if I like them or not. But we're on our way to my boyfriend's house and then we have reunited with Face Key.
Yeah. We're going to Europe.
They don't know that yet.
Oh, okay. Can you do the video then?
No, it's fine. You guys know where we're going now. Wait, I think I said we're going to Europe.
You can use your video.
Hurting people, they don't really give a fuck. Always known as the lonely one. Always known as the lonely dog. Smoke the ganja to get high.
You know, time ain't real, so I'm never not prepared. I'm just always on time.
Fuck that nigga, I just needed advice. Grab that drink, wasn't feeling me. Look in the mirror, trying to feel my shit. Messy bedrooms, rotting love. Hurting people, they don't really give a fuck. Always known as the lonely one. Always known as the lonely dog. I don't know how to feel. Inside out, rules not healed. Hurt people, hurt people. Hurt people, hurt people. All the love was borrowed, confidence rented. Took it.
His bag was overweight, so he had to put stuff in my bag, and we were worried about me. You were worried about me.
I'm the woman here.
Yo, this holiday is gonna be nice. Look at that. Yeah, you see, these are people who these are people that follow the rules. Huh? Do you get that? Do you understand what that means? We have to do a long walk to A85 This guy is flying economy. Say, you know you're flying economy.
Hey man, sometimes you gotta make yourself experience other things so you appreciate other things more.
Yeah, he's flying economy and he's not really happy about it.
I don't feel away.
We'll see how he feels in the plane.
I can't complain, I'm just you.
Exactly.
And then, okay, from here to over to Swiss.
We just went and our bags are going. If we're not going to Barcelona, our bags are for sure going.
Yeah, definitely. This time,
He doesn't know how to be on YouTube, which is so weird because you're like always talking to your TikToker anyway.
what should I do like?
Like yourself.
No, myself. I'm locked in right now.
How does it feel to have a sugar mama?
How does it feel?
To have a sugar mama.
This is the best thing. You guys need to enter the market. You guys need to enter the market. I didn't grow up eating curry. This is the mild stuff. This is the stuff I enjoy. This is the stuff I enjoy to eat.
Don't listen to him, guys. He said he does not like curry. He says, I don't eat that. So this is shocking. Shocked. Guys, like we're actually running so late. Like it's actually so bad. The flight is boarding now and we haven't boarded. Are you sure we have everything? Do you have my passport? We were running.
We just sprinted.
Like I'm sweating so bad.
Now we made it though. We made it though. Across the whole airport.
Whole airport, guys.
In like 10 minutes.
We landed at like
25.
25. It took a bit of time to like get people off board, and then that's when the running started. It was like the Hunger Games or something. And then we like literally just got onto the metro. It was a metro.
Yeah.
And then we had to go through security, passport control.
Everything. Like,
And then there was a whole escalator situation. And then we had to run still across the airport.
Even she was carrying bags.
I literally carried a duffel, guys. I've never carried a bag in my life with this man. I was carrying bags. I was running with a bag.
We made it. I'm out of bread still. That's why I'm a bit flustered.
Sweating.
And we had to give up our waters because you're not allowed to take your waters.
You have a fan?
Yeah, we're a fan.
Yeah.
That's good.
Chi-Chi's prepared.
Yeah.
Look, this is how it like we're both creators, and like it's just phones out all the time. Like,
Yeah, we need to be more
when are we gonna be present?
No, I feel present on my phone. I feel present on my phone.
Yeah, he's present with his phone. Like he doesn't listen to me when he's on the phone. Literally on arrival. Can you check if it's my name's on it?
Yeah, it's the Africa thing.
Yeah.
We here.
That was so quick. It made up for our delayed flight.
We're the luckiest people in the world.
We are. Genuinely.
Yeah. How we get all our bags in 2 minutes?
Less than like when we arrived. We just exchanged money. It took like literally no time. Connected to the Wi-Fi. Got off the plane fast. Life is soft. Now I just gotta wait for him to put in all the labor for the bags.
Feels like slavery being filmed.
What? Doing all the work? Guys, get yourself a man. Literally, it's free. Not for him. What does it feel like?
I don't want to look at the camera. I don't want to look at the camera.
I like it and I got it, babe. I know she